Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Mac OS Mojave. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Continuity Camera, which allows you to use your iPhone or your iPad to take photos or to scan documents directly into your Mac. The requirements to use Continuity Camera. Your Mac and your iOS device must have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. Both the Mac and the iOS devices must be signed into the same iCloud account. And finally, your Mac must be running Mac OS Mojave and your iOS device must be running the latest iOS 12. Continuity Camera works in several applications including Finder, Keynote, Mail, Messages, Notes, Numbers, Pages, and Text Edit. To use Continuity Camera, you simply have to right-click or Ctrl-Click and choose Import from iPhone or iPad. So this top menu here, you can take a photo or scan documents from your iPhone. Down below here is for if you're using an iPad. You can take a photo or scan documents. I'm going to choose this one, Take Photo. You can see here my phone is going to turn into a live camera. So I can take a photo on my phone. You can see I can use the photo or I can retake it. So I'm going to use the photo. And just like that, you can see here the photo is saved right to my desktop. Okay, here I am in Apple Mail. Let's say that I want to scan some documents and send them off in an email. Just compose a new message, right-click, and choose Import from iPhone or iPad, or you can come up to the File menu and find that exact same option, Import from iPhone or iPad. Let's choose Scan Documents, just so you can see how this works. So my iPhone is going to turn into a camera. I'm just going to simply click on a document, take a photo. I can scan as many pages as you want. You can resize it to make sure it all fits in there. I'm going to keep the scan. I'm going to scan another page. Resize it to fit. Keep the scan. And when you've scanned all the pages, you're going to simply click Save. Just like that, the scans went right into the email message. I can hit the spacebar if I want to preview the document to make sure that everything's looking good. Send off the message, no problem. So that is Continuity Camera. Right-click in any application that is supported in Continuity Camera. Take a photo. Your iPhone or your iPad will turn into a camera. Snap the photo, use the photo, and save it right to your Mac. My name is Mike Murphy. That is how you use Continuity Camera in Mac OS Mojave. Cheers.